Now that we've had practice setting up the division problems as fractions, today we're going to talk about dividing them, if you need to. Let's look at our first set of directions here. Our directions say, write each quotient as a fraction, so sometimes it'll just be a fraction, or as a mixed number. We know what mixed numbers are. It means there's a whole number and a fraction with it. Okay, let's look at our first example. Here it is, number 1. We have 2 divided by 3. Okay, well, 2 divided by 3, let me write that down for a second. Hold on, 2 divided by 3. Isn't that a fraction? It's totally a fraction. That is the solution. Well, that was easy. Let's check out another one. Number 2. 6 divided by 11. Well, let's write it as a fraction and see what we get. 6 divided by 11. Numerator smaller than my denominator. That's a regular fraction. That is my solution. Cool. Okay, so that means we must be having mixed numbers next. You're right, we are. Those problems look like this. It would be 7 divided by 5. When we write this as a fraction, you can clearly see it's an improper fraction. And you guys already know how to solve that. You divide the 5 into the 7. I'll write it down so we can look at it. Divide the 5 into the 7. It'll go one time. You have a remainder of 2, but we're in fractions, so we don't say remainder 2. We bring it up here as a fraction, 1 2/5. This is our mixed number solution. That's it. Here's one more. Number 4. Here's our last example. The numbers are just a tad bit bigger. We have 17 divided by 12. When you write it as a fraction, you can see it, 17 divided by 12. The numerator is bigger, we have to divide or simplify. You can think of it as simplifying. So again, 12 goes into 17. This time it'll go one time. 12, I'll subtract, I have 5, so I have 1 5/12. Here we are. Here's our solution. That's it. That's all there is to dividing fractions. Well, fractions as division. It's pretty cool. Have fun with math.